their right mind buys an airplane that they can't fly?
It seems somebody found out about my most recent acquisition of the aircraft. Yeah. Apparently some people just don't appreciate my sophisticated financial acumen. Well, here's my new home in this van. It would be nice if it was down by a river, though. Hey, babe, I got an airplane to replace the Cherokee. I think you're gonna like it.
Oh, I want to see.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Do you have any pictures?
Yeah, and I even made a video and put it on the interweb on my little YouTube channel, and you can see that video here.
What are you doing?
That's what you do when you're on YouTube. You point to the corner.
YouTube?
Yeah.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
That's what you've been doing in here all this time?
I've been working.
I thought you were looking for a job.
I got a job. I'm a YouTuber. Well, here it is. My home for the next however long until I can get those airplanes going again. It hasn't been moved in a few years. It's not mine. I just bought it. I think the guy said it was 2008 Passage by Safari. Okay. Has a couple things that come out further on this side. And basically my way of determining whether this was a good buy or not is I went in and hit the button for the generator, it started up. Hit the key for the engine, it started up. And that's pretty much all I've done to it so far. Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, that looks good. Personally, I don't see what could possibly go wrong by taking an RV that hasn't been driven in 3 years on a 2,000-mile trip across the country. Oh, and I don't have a trailer, so I gotta take this to go meet a guy to go get a trailer for all the airplane parts that I'm bringing back. What could possibly go wrong?
Okay, all right. Where's the airplane you bought us? Let's see some pictures.
Huh?
That?
Yeah.
And that?
Yes.
Babe, those look like crap.
What? No. Hey, whoa. Back the choo-choo up. Those just need a little cleaning, little vacuuming, and some wax. They're fine. They're totally good.
Do they even fly?
Not in so many words. No, not yet. But I can get them fixed. I can do this. It was a great deal, okay?
They don't even fly. Who in their right mind buys an airplane that they can't fly?
You just don't get it. You don't understand. It was a great deal.
And yeah, speaking of deal, and where are we gonna get the money to pay for this? These.
Babe.
No.
We both
not again.
know. Babe, we both know one of these kids is not college material. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, hey, steps are coming out. That's a good sign. We got this guy in here.
Yeah.
There's the captain's chair, navigator. We got some shelves up there. Places to cook some ramen noodles.
Yeah.
Places to talk about the life choices that we've made. Bathroom. Everybody needs one of those. And a bedroom. The blower thingy works. Start up, check the horn. That works. Windshield wipers. That's not good. Mirrors, let's see. You know what? They're fine just where they're at. That's fine. Let's see if this thing will go forward. Oh, it's moving! In the ad, it said it was 34 feet, and when I looked up the information on it, it's really 32 feet. So I think I should get a 2-foot discount. Does it go backwards? It goes backwards. All right. There it is. Let's go. Steering wheel is sticky. That's kind of gross. Time to fill up with nothing but the essentials. Potted meat, of course. Ramen noodles, get used to eating those. Chips. White bread because it's better. And I'm not an animal. For the road trip. And breakfast. Alright, we're good. Oh, it's gonna be so close!
The last one.
Yeah!
500!
Well, there's nothing a credit card can't fix in a cell phone. So I had the guy meet me with a trailer here at the Walmart parking lot, and then I discovered I don't actually have a hitch. Come over here and take a look at this. Yeah, so I couldn't find one of those in the RV. Well, we're at Walmart, and you got a credit card. So you just go buy one. Bam! Just like that. Hope it's the right size ball. Yes! No problem. And I need the adapter, it's in there somewhere. And I have no idea how big the windshield wipers are, so I just grabbed the biggest ones they had. 26, I hope that's gonna work. And some gas cans with those terribly communist fuel nozzle things on there. Yeah, no, I don't see how anything could possibly happen on this trip because we are absolutely prepared for anything. Let's see, we got that, and yeah, they're not the right size. All right, let's see if we can change them. How do you? Uh-oh. Oh, I think I broke something. Little thing here. Oh, good Lord, how did this thing come off? You know what? Those are just fine. I'm sure we won't run into any rain or anything, so you know, they'll be fine. They'll be fine. I wonder what that thing is. Is it like a... Because we got, I think this is the hot water heater or something like that. Oh yeah, it's hot. Yeah, that's the hot water heater. Okay, that's hot. And that, what is this? Oh, that's propane. Okay, that's storage. I know what that is. What the heck is this? Hey, that's cool. Oh, it turns on too. Look at that. How cool is that? Oh, how do you turn the thing off? Oh, there you go. Hey, that's pretty cool. What do you know? We got to come up with a name for it. What would be a good name for this thing? I still haven't figured out why that light up there is on all the time. And there's not one on the other side of the RV, so I have no idea why that's on. And I can't find a switch for it anywhere. Now I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put this in and measure it, but on the back it said 4 ounces to 10 gallons, and that's the big tank. I have no idea how big the tank is, but I'm pretty sure it's like that big. And I'm just gonna put the whole thing in there. I mean, more is always better. There you go. Yes. Perfect. I also noticed that the air conditioner was not real cold, so I got this Fix-All here. I mean, that should cure everything. I'm sure it goes in here somewhere. This is my magic air conditioner repair tool. There you go. Oh, look at that. That is bright green. Yes. Looks like somebody else may have known that the air conditioner wasn't working too great. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. The whole thing came off. Yeah, I can feel it getting colder already. Little Antarctica. Right here is at the equator. We're coming up a little closer. Now we're getting into Canada. And now we're going north of the Arctic Circle. The can is really cold. I have no idea how much to put in here either. You know, let's just put it all in there. It's probably going to leak out anyway. We are doing our part to keep that hole in the ozone layer as big as possible. We got to have some places for the space shuttles to go in and out of. I mean, Elon Musk and the other guy from the bookstore, I mean, they need a place to get their, you know, little spaceships up and down. So here you go, we're helping you out. Yeah, the air conditioner still doesn't work. Well, shoot, no wonder it's so stinking hot. The cover came off. Oh my gosh, look at that. The cover came off, the engine cover came off. Okay, how do you get it back up there? Yeah, I think that's gonna be just fine. Sit rep oil pressure is good. Fuel is dropping. RPMs are all over the place. Speed is slow. Transmission temperature is good. Engine temperature is good. The cruise control even works. Oh, coast. Oh, accelerate. That's awesome. I think the tires may have some flat spots because they're just going. But you know, 2,000 miles and they'll get round again. So we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Woo! Well, I mean, why not wait till it's nighttime to try to figure out how to do this with all the hoses and levers and stuff. Yep. Oh, that's gross. Yep. It's somebody else's bodily fluids. This is my life now. That did not turn out at all like I thought it would turn out. I discovered that if I have the generator turned off, the radio doesn't work. It won't turn on unless the generator is running. That's neat. Yeah. Oh yeah, those aren't too bad. Oh yeah. South Carolina, you need to spend some money fixing I-95. It's not good. It's pretty bad. I hit one so hard that it knocked the cruise control off from, you know, being on cruise control. 55.6 gallons on 443 miles is, carry the one, 7.96 miles to the gallon. Oh, that's painful. I actually thought it was going to be closer to 10, but ouch. Funny thing is, my airplane gets better gas mileage than this motorhome. Except for those twins, they're not going to get better gas mileage. Yeah. Wait. Do you notice that it kind of sits like that a little bit? Yeah, I do too. And when you drive it, it definitely feels that way. Huh. Okay. I'm sure it's fine. I've learned to judge the speed of this thing on the Richter scale. 60 miles an hour, it's not too bad. It's only about a 2 or 3. You get up to 65, you start to notice things. And here, let me see if I can, 70, I mean, it's definitely a 6.5 on the Richter. And then 70, I've never taken it to 75, I'm afraid. That's Fukushima level right there. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna pull back and just keep it right there around a nice aggressive massage level. Well, I missed the turn, and Google told me to turn at the next one, and then I pull off and it says caution, no large trucks, road not suitable for large trucks. And I'm going at a massive 23 miles an hour, and there's a sign there that says no large trucks. So okay, no trucks with trailers, because that's fantastic. Okay, this is awesome. Thanks, Google. It was time to take a break. Check this out, this is awesome. Look at that. And we're in an RV, so we naturally just GPS guides us right to national parks and other things, so we can go drive to a place, look at some stuff, and read things. It's now 5:45 or something like that. Got in at 11:30. I think I was finally in bed by midnight. And then we hear this, Mom! Bam, 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 bam! I'm like, what the heck is all this? I thought somebody was messing with us or something, because we parked in this parking lot. And apparently it was a security guy. And he's like, hey, you can't park here. I'm like, really? That's not cool. And so now I had to get up and get our stuff and then leave. So I guess we got an early start to the day to give us lots of time to work on the airplanes. That's cool. It's too early. Me and Google are gonna have to have a talk. I'm trying to get to an airport to pick up some avgas, and I've somehow ended up on this gravel road in the middle of nowhere. What? Come on, Google. With a deer. That's fantastic. How cool is that? Came up here to this airport getting avgas, and look at that sweet jet sitting there. I think that could be a fixer-upper. Maybe that's our next project. Holy crap, we made it. 1,075 miles or something. Yesterday, day 3 was all on this Bonanza. You can check out those videos down in the description. And day 4 is this.
Oh, finally. Oh, thought he'd never leave.